Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to use ChatGPT for copywriting. So first what you need to do is, let's say you have a text file and you can upload it. If you do not know how to upload files on ChatGPT, you can watch one of our previous videos. So you're going to be uploading a file, let's say this one. Now just wait for a moment until it is uploaded, and once it finishes uploaded, you can type in a prompt which says check this text if it has any copyright issues. And once you type in that, simply click on the button to enter your prompt, and ChatGPT will simply analyze it and let you know if this content has any type of copyright issues. So that's how you can utilize ChatGPT for copywriting, and I hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.